Assalamu alaikum, my dear nursery class. Very good evening to you. I hope so you all are fine and enjoying good health at home. This is your English period and today we will read letter G, G. Here you can see capital letter is G, capital letter is G and its sound is G, G, G. Read it with me. Its sound is G. Here you can see goat, goat, grass. You have to color goat and you have to color grass. Capital letter is G. Capital letter is G and its sound is G, G, G. Read it with me. G. Vocabulary word is here for you. Grapes. Student, do you like to eat grapes? Grapes. Read it with me. Grapes. Next vocabulary word is for you. Girl. Its starting sound is g, g. Girl. Girl. Read it with me. And the next one is goat. Goat. Starting sound is g. Goat. The next vocabulary word is for you grass and grass color is green. So green starting letter is also g. Grass starting letter is also g. Grass. So class, here is work page for you. You have to write letter G on this page. Just you have to write capital letter here. First line you have to trace it and on the second two lines you have to write it on the one dot. G is just like C. Its shape is just like C. Just you have to make tail. आपने G की tail बनानी है और ये C की तरह ही आपने write करना है. And you have to write it on the first three line. It will come on first three line G, G. Let's open your next page. That one is 6060. Here you can see some letters given here. Sikha, Jika, Kyokwa, O. Now on this page you have to match the letters to the correct picture. Sikha is starting letter for cat. So you have to match it with cat. Cat, grapes, or orange, quail, or ostrich, quail, girl, car. You have to match it with the correct picture. And in the last, you can see, write the first letter for the given pictures. Some pictures are given here on your book. First one is cow, grapes, orange, key, cat, girl, ox, quail, quilt. So you have to recognize this picture, pronounce it very well and feel which one is starting letter is here. And cow, so you have to write k. Grapes, you have to write g. O orange, you have to write o. Key, cat, you have to write k. Girl, so you have to write g like this. You have to write small letter, okay, and write it on proper lines. Do proper formation. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.